Pulumi introduces AI agents to automate infrastructure management. Pulumi has launched a preview of Pulumi Neo, AI agents integrated into its infrastructure as code platform that can diagnose issues, suggest optimizations, and autonomously manage IT infrastructure when permitted. Interesting point on when permitted there. Neo acts like a digital member of the DevOps team, handling tasks, monitoring outcomes, and maintaining compliance while keeping a full history of automated actions. Teams can choose whether to use Neo for guidance or to let it execute tasks independently based on assigned permissions. Now, Alastair, this is firmly in the neighborhood of having becoming an agent boss and now having these digital coworkers that can do things. What do you think about this piece and what you're seeing in this space?
Well, I think we're seeing some challenges around AI agents not necessarily following the rules they're set up to follow. And so Pulumi's challenge here is making sure that Neo does follow the instructions, the boundaries that are given to Neo. So having controls about whether Neo is able to correct, make changes, maybe make firewall changes, as well as configuration changes in its automated form. The objective, of course, is to allow this, is to have this AI agent that does the ongoing work, that is the all-seeing eye that we really do want in our infrastructure management, particularly in our fast-changing infrastructure management, which is really where Pulumi targets is DevOps teams. Their expectation is that Neo will behave as a new Neo DevOps team member. Yeah, the challenge will be as we kind of move that transition from you can make recommendations, please, Neo, and I'll choose whether I implement them or not, towards the situation of yes, Neo implements these changes automatically. Pulumi's placing this as being a way of making sure that we have DevOps best practices and particularly DevSecOps best practices being applied in our pipelines. And that absolutely is a great thing. The easier it is to comply with best practices for both DevOps performance and security, the easier we make this for developers, the better. Developers care about functional features within their applications rather than wanting to know about all of these lower level compliance and infrastructure elements. So this could be absolutely awesome. I think this is still at a preview for Pulumi's Neo, and the proof, as always, will be in the eating of the pudding. It's, do we actually get good agents? Can we trust these agents? And then I liked that there was a whole lot of audit logging with Pulumi Neo. All of the actions that are being taken are being logged through, so you at least have a retrospective view of what's changed. And some of that around change management, config management is going to be really vital as we use more of these agents.